Hi, this is Harshdeep and I'm the founder and CEO of Legitt AI. Today, me and my team are mighty proud to announce the launch of Legitt 3.0. What if your entire contract stack ran itself? Right from draft to redlining to approvals to signatures and renewals, all without the back and forth chaos via mails, chats and calls. So that's exactly what Legitt 3.0 delivers. Legitt 3.0 is not just another CLM. It's actually your assistant that works behind the scenes, coordinates multiple streams so that you can focus on outcomes and customers. Legitt AI is truly AI native. It's not just another AI agent bolt on to your existing workflows. It understands the context, goes through your playbook, your legacy data, builds intelligence layer on top of it, and takes decisions just like your best teammate would do. Everything starts at My Work and Inbox curated by Lana. So Lana reads your documents, understands your communication threads, kills the noise, summarizes and creates the list of next best actions that you need to take. At the core of it all is the AI native editor. So it takes into account the context, the details that we have given, the clause libraries, the templates or the legacy data and the standards and creates the first draft. The user can then engage with the editor to mark out deviations, to update, to mark any changes that the user requires in the document. And this all is happening while it keeps a live risk score that keeps the user honest. Collaboration is built in, right from internal reviews to external redlining to collaborating for updating the documents to delegation-based approvals and signatures, all connected, auditable and fast. Everything that we sign and finish lands up in the repository. Legitt AI creates an intelligence layer on top of the repository where you can create your customized dashboards, online reports, offline reports, on-the-fly chat with the entire repository. Legitt AI helps you create an intelligence layer on top of the repository that helps you create online dashboards, offline reports, and on the fly you can chat with the entire repository. It helps you catch deviations, curate all your alerts and obligations at one place, and also manage risks before they catch up to you. So in nutshell, Legitt 3.0 helps you create, manage, and track your contracts at one place in an AI native way. Your contract assistant is ready. Let's go to work.